start off by marinating chicken pieces. For this we need 1 lb chicken breast. This chicken breast I have cut them into thin strips like this. I have washed them very well in cold water. Now next we are going to marinate them. For this take deep bowl. To that we're going to add a couple of spices. First add in some red chili powder, garam masala, about half teaspoon. We also need to add some coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, also add some kasuri methi, that is also known as dried methi leaves. It adds wonderful flavor to this chicken. Next, squeeze in some lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, and some yogurt. We're gonna need thick yogurt, just about 2 tablespoons. Just mix this up. Once we mix this up real nice, now next add this chicken pieces. Once we add chicken pieces, mix this up well using this marinade. Coat these pieces well. Now just cover this up and we're gonna leave this for about 1 hour. Meanwhile our chicken is getting ready. We will start to work on our gravy. For this first we need to make some masala, and here I have heated 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, and in that first goes in some cumin seeds. Now wait till the time this cumin seeds gets buttered. Now next we need to add some whole garam spices. I have 1 bay leaf, and in this I have 3 green cardamom, cinnamon stick, this is savitri, and 3 to 4 black peppercorns and cloves. Just saute this just for about 30 to 40 seconds. And now next goes in some coriander seeds. Like this. And we're gonna cook this till the time this coriander seeds changes color and nice aroma starts to come out from this whole coriander seed. Alright, this coriander seeds looks done. You can see they have changed its color and it has got light golden color. Now this is the time we need to add some fennel seeds. We're gonna make use of all fresh spices to make this butter chicken, and it gives very nice flavor and taste to this dish. Just cook this for another 30 to 40 seconds. It's a time to add chopped tomatoes. I have taken 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Add also sprinkle some salt on this tomato, about half teaspoon. Mix this up. It smells really very good. This freshly roasted spices releases very nice flavors from it. Now next thing, we need to just cover this up and cook this on medium heat for just about 4 to 5 minutes. This has been cooking for total about 5 minutes and it smells fantastic. Now let's check it. Its aroma is just awesome. Now you can see these tomatoes have become really very soft and they are totally mashed up. Now we need to wait till the time it gets cooled down completely, then we are going to grind it. This tomato masala has cooled down completely. Now let's start to make masala paste. For this, here I have soaked 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas in hot water for total about 1 hour. Now if poppy seeds are not available, you can also make use of 3 to 4 cashew nuts. What this does basically, it gives a nice thickness to the gravy. Now what we need to do, first add this poppy seeds into a blender, and we're gonna grind these poppy seeds first, and then we'll add our tomatoes. And once poppy seeds are done, next we're going to add this tomato paste, tomato masala, I'm sorry. Just adding all this tomatoes. And again grind this to make a very smooth paste. It's been marinating for total about 1 hour. Now we're gonna bake this. For this, here I have this baking tray which I have lined with some aluminum foil and again greased with some oil. Now what we need to do, just place this marinated chicken pieces one by one on this baking tray. If oven is not available, you can simply roast or stir fry these chicken pieces on a skillet. Place this pieces on baking tray. It looks so pretty. And now again we need to drizzle some oil over these chicken pieces so that it will get a little bit crunch. Now here I have preheated oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now just pop this tray in oven for total about 10 to 15 minutes till the time this chicken gets cooked. Alright, I have cooked these chicken pieces on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just about 12 minutes and it looks perfect. It looks so tasty. You can see this chicken is very well cooked. It has become really very soft and tender. We want to cook this chicken till this point only. Now what we need to do, just take this chicken pieces into separate bowls. Looks so tasty. Just keep this aside. And here we have this leftover juices from this baked chicken. We don't need to throw this. We're gonna use this later on when we make our gravy. Our masala paste is ready. Now let's start to work on our gravy. For this, here I have melted 3 tablespoons of butter. And to that, first we're gonna add some ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. You can increase or reduce the amount of butter suitable to your taste. Now just mix this up and cook this for just about another 1 minute. After sauteing this ginger garlic paste, now next we need to add this masala paste. Now you can see the consistency of this paste. It's a very very smooth paste. This is how we want to grind this masala. Now add this masala. Mix this up. Now we need to add some red chili powder. I preferably like to add this degi mirch powder, or it is also known as Kashmiri red chili. It gives a really nice dark bright red color to this butter paneer gravy. If you want, you may also make use of regular red chili powder. Mix this up. And cook this till the time oil starts to separate from this gravy. Alright, as you can see, this gravy has become pretty thick and oil has started to lose out from the spices. And it smells just fantastic. The use of these fresh spices always give wonderful flavor to any gravy. Now we have this leftover stock from this baked chicken. I'm gonna pour this into this gravy. And just mix this up. We also need to add some water. I like it to be a little bit on thicker side. Mix this up. You can see this gravy, it looks so perfect. Next we need to add some salt and sugar. We have already added salt while cooking tomatoes, so adjust the amount of salt accordingly, and we also need to add some sugar. Now the amount of sugar depends on the sourness of tomatoes. I am adding almost 1 tablespoon of sugar. You may increase or decrease the amount of sugar suitable to your taste, and let this gravy get boiled for another 5 minutes. I have boiled this gravy for just about 5 minutes. You can see the color and the texture of this gravy. It has got very smooth and velvety texture. Awesome. It looks so tasty. Now next we need to add some kasuri methi. About 1 tablespoon. Just take it in your hand and rub it just like that. This kasuri methi adds really wonderful flavors in this butter paneer gravy. Just mix this up. And now next add these baked chicken pieces. Wow, they look so tasty. Add all this baked chicken. Mix. Awesome. Now just cover this up and cook this on a medium heat for just about 5 minutes, so that all these flavors from this gravy and at the same time all the wonderful flavors from this baked chicken will get incorporated with each other. I have cooked this gravy and chicken together for total about 5 minutes. It smells so fantastic. I wish you could really smell it. It smells just fabulous. Now turn off the gas heat. Shake this. Oh my goodness. Wow, you can see this gravy. Its color, its smooth and velvety texture. My God, just perfect. And its aroma is just unbeatable. Now just a final touch, we're gonna add little bit of cream. Now my husband, he really hates to add cream on this butter chicken, but just to give it good touch, I'm going to add just few drops of cream. It is optional, you may also skip adding this cream. Perfect. Just again mix this up. This butter chicken tastes just perfect. It goes very well with some naan, paratha, roti, or even with some rice, especially jeera rice. You will find recipe for yeast-free naan on my website in bread section and recipe for jeera rice on my website in rice section. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.